The Doves and the Rats. Once upon a time, a flock of doves was flying in search of food. Soon they saw rice grains lying under a banyan tree. They began pecking at the grains, but realized that a hunter had laid his net there. The doves were trapped. King Dove said, "Union is strength. Let's fly together," clutching the net to the other end of the jungle. The birds flew away carrying the net. The hunter was shocked. When the flock had flown a distance, King Dove said, "We should fly to my friend, the king of rats. He will set us free." The birds landed near the holes where the rats lived. King Rat was surprised to see them. When King Dove narrated the whole incident, King Rat nibbled the net along with his subjects in just a few minutes. All the doves were free. They cheered with joy and thanked the rats. The Golden Swans. Once upon a time, there lived a king. His palace was surrounded by a lake with a garden around it. Many golden swans lived in the lake. The king would go for a walk in the garden every morning and collect the golden feathers shed by the swans. One day, when the king came to the garden, a beautiful bird sat on his shoulder and tweeted melodiously. Mesmerized by the bird's song, the king said, "Dear bird, stay here forever." The bird was jealous of the golden swans. She lied. "These swans have threatened to kill me if I live here." The king ordered his guards to kill the golden swans. When the swans saw the guards approaching, they took flight. Flying high, they said, "O king, you are foolish to have believed a stranger. Goodbye." By the time the king realized his mistake, the swans had flown far away. The Monkey on the Cherry Tree. A monkey lived on a cherry tree by the river. One day, a crocodile asked him, "I am hungry. Please give me something to eat." The monkey gave him cherries. This went on every day, and soon they became good friends. One day, the crocodile took some cherries for his wife too. She said, "How sweet would be the heart of the monkey who eats this fruit every day." She pestered her husband to get the monkey's heart. The crocodile agreed reluctantly. The next day, he told the monkey, "Dear friend, my wife has invited you to lunch. Come, let's go." On their way, the crocodile told him the truth. The monkey said, "My heart is on the tree. Let's get it." When they reached the river bank, the monkey climbed up the tree and said, "You are unfaithful. Go away." The crocodile was ashamed. He had lost a friend. The elephant learns a lesson. There was a huge banyan tree in the jungle providing shelter to the animals. A sparrow couple lived there. Mrs. Sparrow had laid eggs. One afternoon, an evil elephant broke the branch of the tree where the sparrows lived. Their nest fell down and the eggs were broken. The sparrows went to the woodpecker, who said his friends, the fly and the frog, would help them. The next day, when the elephant was crossing the same path, the fly hummed a tune in the elephant's ear, and the woodpecker poked his eyes. The elephant howled with pain. He felt the need to splash water on his face. Just then he heard the frog croaking. He followed the sound and fell into a swamp. "Please help me. What wrong have I done?" The frog reminded him about the sparrow's eggs. The elephant was sorry and promised never to do it again.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.